Hello and welcome to another Jeff and Jeff Home Improvement. In this episode, we'll be fixing a dripping AC vent and replacing a water-damaged ceiling around the vent. You can see in the picture the ceiling damage around the vent is due to moisture and eventually will start to mold and mildew. Here are the tools we'll be using in this project. First, we will cover the area with plastic to minimize the dust. Then we will draw an outline to make a clean cut on the ceiling and remove the grill. While cutting, we use a vacuum to catch the dust. You can see on the duct the water residue where the dew point was. We're going to seal this properly so it won't happen again. We then secure the duct to the ferning strips and add strips for the new drywall. The drywall we are using is a water-resistant green board. We will use mastic to create a seal so the hot attic air doesn't meet the cool indoor air. We apply the mastic to the aluminum duct where it meets the drywall to create the seal. We then use fiberglass tape and apply bonding agent to the new drywall. We will be using Easy Sand 20 joint compound to plaster the ceiling. We apply 2 coats of Easy Sand 20, letting it dry 20 minutes in between each coat. After the second coat, we apply water and sponge to smooth it out to get a nice finish. Once dry, you can apply kills and paint for your finishing touches. Till next time.